What up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy Kitchen. I'm your cook Tony, bringing you easy dishes to cook in the kitchen. Today I'm feeling a little snack. I'm feeling like a little snack, maybe cook a little poor man steak. Y'all call it bologna. Egg. We're gonna fry this up in the skillet right here. Put it on medium heat. I got the thick bologna. It says thick on there. I always use Eckrich. Some people use Oscar Mayer or those other brands. I grew up with Eckrich, so this is what I eat. Use the thick ones. That way it won't stick as bad. I like to put a few slits in there. For y'all don't know, this eases down those bubbles that rise up. So while that's frying, let's come over here to my plate right here and fix up the bread first. I have here some Aunt Millie's buttermilk bread. Nice and soft too. I hear you over there sizzling. I'm gonna add some Miracle Whip. Your preference. You can use mayonnaise. You can use mustard. A lot of people use mustard. I'm not much of a mustard eater. I like honey mustard. Other than that, I'll stick to Miracle Whip. Spread that generously over the bread. We have some lettuce. A little lettuce on there. Spread that on there. Let's turn this meat over a little bit. Slide that spatula under there and flip it. Some people like to have theirs burnt so it'll be crunchy when they bite into it. Myself, I like mine meaty. Turn this heat down a little bit. Okay, let's bring our plate over here. Finish dressing our sandwich. Look at that. Don't forget to turn your stove off. We're gonna finish dressing our sandwich over here. But we're gonna slice a little tomato. Add some tomato to this. Nice juicy tomato. One more slice. Maybe one more slice. Add some cheese. I'm using American cheese right here. You can use provolone, Havarti, smoked Gouda, cheddar, whatever your preference is. Okay, and there we have it. You have cheese, tomato, lettuce. Let's slice this a little bit. And what's a bologna sandwich without potato chips? Just pour that over the top. That way you ain't got to dig into the bag. There we have it. Go. Let's bite into that. Tomato. You got tomato. You got bologna, lettuce, cheese. That tomato makes it juicy. Make me thirsty too. Cola, Fago, remember it. What up, Fago? I know y'all watching me. Another bite. You know, you can add bacon to this. You can add peppers, hot sauce, whatever you like. Just bite these chips. I got this French onion dip right here. It's called dip, not scoop. So don't scoop it, just dip it in there. Bring it on out. My wife got me liking this French onion dip. That was real good. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like. Send me your recipes. I'm gonna finish my lunch, y'all. Peace out, y'all.